Hi, this is Zoe from Carepatron, and in this video I will guide you through the tooth number chart. What is a tooth number chart? Dental professionals use a tooth number chart to systematically identify and designate individual teeth within the oral cavity. It is a standardized approach for precise and effective communication regarding specific teeth across diagnosis, treatment planning, and discussions. Two well-known tooth numbering systems exist: the universal numbering system and the Palmer notation method. This chart is especially useful when recording information on a patient's teeth, such as noting areas of decay or impacted wisdom teeth. The universal numbering system, which is more widely utilized, assigns a unique number to each tooth. It starts from the upper right third molar, designated as tooth number 1, extends along the upper arch to the upper left third molar, tooth number 16, and proceeds down to the lower arch from the lower left third molar, tooth number 17, to the lower right third molar, tooth number 32. This chart is especially useful when recording information on a patient's teeth, such as noting areas of decay or impacted wisdom teeth. To use our free tooth number chart, follow these steps. Download our tooth number chart from the Carepatron platform, which you can find in the link in the description. Using the tooth number chart, record any relevant dental information you need, such as teeth affected by decay or tooth replacement options. This will help ensure your patient's dental data is organized and easily accessible. As you continue to work with the tooth number chart, monitor any changes in your patient's dental health. This will help provide insight into areas where further work needs to be done and inform decisions on future treatment options. Here is a sample of our tooth number chart, which you can find on our Carepatron platform. To find our tooth number chart, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.